Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI chatbot on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages. You can click on this icon to open up the Instagram DM. And for your information guys, that this is a new feature on Instagram called AI Studio. So this is the AI Studio feature, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and here in the AI Studio, we'll be able to join someone else AI chatbot, or we can create our own AI chatbot. And these are for the popular AIs. And wait, I'm going to open up one of them. Okay, this is how the AI chatbot looks like, and I'm going to make my own AI chatbot. Okay, if you want to do that guys, we can click on create here, and you can select custom AI, and then you need to describe your AI. And since I have made a description, I'm just going to paste my description here. So for example, I'm going to create an AI who can be my friend anywhere and anytime. And then we can click on next. Okay, and just hold on. Okay, this is the name of the AI. If you're not satisfied with the name, you can change it. And you can add your unique name for the AI. And this is for the tagline. Again, you can edit it if you don't want to use this one. And you can customize your audience. You can choose either everyone, close friends, or only you. And I'm going to select everyone so anyone can chat with my AI and see that I created it. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on done. And if you want to go to the advanced settings, you can click on this option and you can add welcome message, icebreaker, or instruction, but I'm just going to skip this one. I'm going to go back and click on chat with AI to create the AI chatbot. Okay, now it's still loading. Hold on. Alright, and now the AI is ready and we'll be able to chat with this AI. Okay, for example, I'm going to select this suggestion. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI chatbot on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.